Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download GitHub projects to track issues like a workflow pro full guide step by step clearly. To download a GitHub project, first navigate to the GitHub repository page. Locate the green code button found near the top right of the repository. Click on the code button to reveal a drop-down menu. You'll see several options to clone or download the repository. If you prefer to use HTTPS, click on the clipboard icon to copy the URL. Alternatively, if you want to use SSH, select the SSH option and copy that URL. Now that you have the URL, open your command line interface. Navigate to the folder where you want to download the project. Use the command git clone followed by the copied URL. Press the Enter key to execute the command. The repository will now begin downloading to your selected folder. Once the download is complete, navigate into the project folder. To check the project's issues, return to the GitHub repository page. Click on the Issues tab at the top of the page to view all existing issues. Here, you can see open and closed issues, along with their descriptions. To track an issue, you can use labels, milestones, and assignees. If you want to create your own issue, click on the New Issue button. Fill out the title and description fields clearly to explain the issue. Assign labels and milestones as needed to organize the issue efficiently. Once you're finished, click Submit New Issue to create it. Now, stay updated on the project's progress by watching issues. To enhance your workflow, consider linking related issues together. This will help you manage dependencies and track progress. Finally, remember to regularly check for any updates in the project repository. By following these steps, you can successfully download GitHub projects and manage issues like a workflow pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.